A Save Medicare rally will be held in Wollongong this weekend following harsh cuts to the health sector in last week's federal budget. Critics say the changes are a slippery slope to cutting Medicare. However, the government insists the changes are needed to keep the economy sustainable.
2 years ago, Helen Smith retired as a nurse after 40 years in the job. She continues to volunteer in palliative care, so health cuts in the budget frighten the Kanahooka resident.
I think it's a slippery slope to get rid of Medicare.
The changes include a $7 fee every time you visit the doctor, $5 of that going towards a multi-billion-dollar research fund.
The co-payment linked to the research fund hasn't fooled anybody. They see it for what it is. It's an opportunity to undermine Medicare by stealth. It's an opportunity to ensure that doctors no longer bulk bill.
It's $7 this year or next year. Is it $15 the year after, $20 the year after that, $30 the year after that?
Along with changes to the PBS making subsidised medications more expensive.
Without a doubt in the world, there are some people out there it's going to cause grief to. But there's no way we would have made these decisions and these choices if we didn't absolutely have to.
It comes as the Nurses Association has sent a letter off to the State Health Minister Gillian Skinner fighting against the federal government's $40 billion cuts to health, claiming it will lead to as many as 300 bed closures by July 1.
By the time it filters down through the state governments and their budgets, we could be looking at bed closures, ward closures and perhaps even hospital closures.
The rally will be held in the Civic Plaza in Borelli Street, Wollongong from midday on Saturday.
The Liberal Party went all around the country saying they were the best friend Medicare ever had. Well, if friends like these, you don't need enemies.
Melissa Jaros, WIN News.